Hi friends, this is Jay Eichmann YouTube channel Road Test Success. We've got a really neat test to share with you today, something that you'll be able to learn a lot from. This test has an interior camera, so you can actually see what the student is doing during the test. And the examiner is not in the vehicle with the student. That's actually the student's father there in the passenger seat. The examiner has installed a viewing camera on the windshield and is remotely watching the student and giving directions over a cell phone. So we'll go back and start this test from the beginning. If you'd like a chance to have your drive test video featured on the channel and have your dash cam paid for, click the banner above or check the details below the video.
All right. Are y'all ready?
Yes.
All right. So what you're gonna do? You're just gonna back out of the parking space, and then you're gonna go through the do not enter sign to your left. You see it?
Yeah.
All right. So once you go through the do not enter sign, you go all the way to the bottom of the hill till you get to the stop sign. Okay.
Okay.
All right. You may now begin. All the way till you get to the stop sign. All right. So what I'm gonna have you do now, you're gonna reverse all the way until I tell you to stop. All right. So stop. So what I'm gonna have you do now, you're gonna go straight. You don't need to have to stop at the stop sign. Just keep going straight for me. Just proceed straight. All right. So once you get around this curve, you're gonna make a right turn. And now once you get around this curve, there are going to be two sets of cones. In the first set of cones, you're going to parallel park in the first set of cones. So in front of you is another set of cones. You're just gonna back into those cones, okay? So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna make a right. And now you're gonna treat this part like it's an intersection, and you're gonna make a left. And you do not have to stop at the stop sign right here. All right, just proceed straight for me, okay? Once you get to the top of the hill, just stop at the stop sign for me. All right, you're gonna make a right. And now you're gonna make a left. And you're gonna go straight out to the stop sign. Once you get to the stop sign, when you feel safe to do so, you're gonna make a right turn onto Highway 29. When you feel safe to do so, get in the left lane for me. Coming up is the left turning lane. We're moving the first left turning lane. At the end of this turn lane, there'll be a U-turn in the middle of the road. Just proceed straight for me. feel safe to do so, get in the left lane for me. Coming up at the traffic light, you'll get a left turning lane at the traffic light, okay? When you feel safe to do so, you're going to make a left turn onto Old Danesville Road. Just over the hill is going to be a church. It's going to be a road before you get to the church. You're going to make a left from that road. I'm going to tell you before you get to it, okay? Alright, it's coming up on your left. Right now. So at the end of this road, when you feel safe to do so, at the stop sign, you're going to make a right turn onto Highway 29. Ahead, going to be a yellow sign. Right behind that yellow sign is going to be the DDS. You're going to make a right back into the DDS parking lot. Going to find the nearest parking to your right. And now I'm going to come out and grab that camera from you, okay?
Okay. All right. How'd I do? I think you did good. I think you did good. You have to make that left turn into the parallel parking. What? When you were coming into your parallel parking, you didn't go straight and cut it back, so you got in.
Much smaller than the.
It was tighter. I was gonna try to tell you, but he stayed on the phone.
Yeah.
So I think you passed though. Phoenix forgot to signal when he went into the parallel parking, so I think they dinged him on that.
I didn't signal when I exited.
Yeah, I don't think you did either.
Did I hit a cone?
I don't think you did, but you came really close. I don't know if he dinged you on that or not.
How close was it to the front?
I think it was the back one that would have been the offensive one, not the front one.
I don't know what happened. It was like the car was weird in that parking spot.
Well, they didn't give you you come around the corner, they don't give you a lot of time to set up for it. So.
Yeah, I couldn't like straighten up.
Yeah.
And that's not how any road would be.
No, you would never parallel park on something like that.
If anything, there would be a median there.
Yeah.
Like at the first part.
Yeah.
So I get out?
Yeah, you can.
That was definitely an experience. Never seen that before.
No,
But it was more comfortable.
That's a new one.
It's more comfortable though. I was not nervous at all.
Good.
Literally just like someone just
Good.
watching the dash cam.
Phoenix was.
Really?
Yeah.
You could tell?
Yeah, he was very nervous. I was like, I gave him, I was like, calm down, it's okay. Like,
I mean, it literally just felt like I was driving with you.
well, you were.
You just wouldn't talk.
Yeah, he said I couldn't say a word, and I said,
Really?
if he's about to kill me, can I scream? And he goes, yeah, you can scream. I was like, all right, good.
All right, he passed with 96.
Sweet.
The only thing you just gotta work on, I think both of them need to work on parking.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
I
I'm
noticed
not
that.
saying y'all can't park. It's just y'all do it a little bit like slower.
The
Okay.
back and end part and the
Yeah,
parallel
yeah.
part. Yeah.
That's the only thing y'all need to work on though. Other than that, y'all do great on everything. Just
All right.
Be good. Be patient. Do not rush anything because a lot of dudes cannot drive. Like now, it's getting worse. It's crazy. So yeah. So what you gonna do? You're just gonna go to the woman that took your picture. She's gonna give you a license, okay?
Okay.
All right, and it should be like $20 or so.
All right.
All right. Y'all all set?
Thank you, appreciate it.
You're welcome. You have a